Instant nourishing leave-in balm for dry, bleached and brittle hair. Intensively nourishes and restores the hydrolipid film on dry and weakened hair, making it smooth and shiny. Result already from the first application. Light non-greasy and non-sticky texture. Unique composition of nutrients and trace elements. Suitable for daily use. Contains flaxseed oil and Bio-Chelate 5PF complex, consisting of 5 fermented bioavailable minerals, zinc, silicone, magnesium, iron and copper. This nourishing balm is intended for immediate use on dry, colored and disheveled hair, provides nutrients and creates a protective hydrolipid film on dry and weakened hair. BES Professional, Silkat Nutritivo Balsamo N2 Nourishing Balm for damaged hair 300 ml Nourishing Regenerating and Mineralizing Balm. This nourishing balm is intended for immediate use on dry, colored and disheveled hair, provides nutrients and creates a protective hydrolipid film on dry and weakened hair. The combination of flaxseed oil, high content of vitamins E and F, 5 oligo-elements, magnesium, iron, zinc and silicone, antistatic silicone emulsion and olive butter offers a specifically focused and balanced nutrition. Specific because it can nourish different degrees of hair dryness, and balanced because it delivers proper nutrition to the places where the hair is most disturbed and disheveled.